Hello everyone, my name is Dan from DKBrickStudios, and today I'll be showing you how to be building the Hauler from Solo, a Star Wars story. But before we get right into that, let's cue up that intro and get on with it, and then we can get on with the video. Alrighty, so we have ourselves the Hauler, the ship that carries AT-ATs in Solo, like all types of all-terrain vehicles in Solo, a Star Wars story also, but they carried a thing of coaxium in Solo. So yeah, for that train heist. So yeah, I am working on that train. It might not be the whole train, it might just be the top half, but it'll still be the train. I don't know if you're gonna get track. I might have been talking, I might have gone a little too crazy. But still, that's being worked on. Nonetheless, let's get to work on getting this thing built. But before we get that thing dealt with, let's take a quick view of the ship, so that way you guys can see this if you have not seen my mock spotlight, which will be carded up at the top of the video of this video. Okay, hang on. I actually get a couple things I need up open here. So yeah, you know what? Let me have these open right now, and then we'll open those up, right? So we have the front view, the back view, the left view, the right view, bottom view, and the top view. So yeah, that's the Hauler. This thing is built with 35 pieces. I'm gonna open up my panels I'll be needing for building, and yeah, this won't take too long. So yeah, let's get started, shall we? Let's. Okay, we're gonna need this in a light bluish gray, as most of my models will be if it's in that kind of thing. So yeah. Step 1, we'll need, and I will be going through here, and as I'll be looking at my parts here, I'll be going through the steps on here, and as I build, you'll be able to look at all the parts that I grab here. So you have your guide, so you can be able to see what I grab, and you can be able to see if you don't know what I'm grabbing. I believe we are needing, and I have to go into here. It is a brown. It is a 2x8. I am correct. We need a plate 2x8. Put it back here. Then 1x2 bricks. Again, you'll be seeing this list update as all in real time. As I add a brick into the build, you'll be able to see what bricks you'll need. Now we're basically doing the next same thing, but in gray, but with 2x2 Technic bricks. And this is all in light bluish gray, I should add. Here and here. Now we're going to need a 2x6 and 2 slope 3x2s. Kind of zoom up, move up a bit here, and then we're going to need a slope 2x3, like so. Now we're going to want a brick 1x1, mod of brick 1x1 with 2 studs, another one of these, an inverted slope, and we're going to need a couple of slopes. So yeah, we're going to be a bit slopey here. That's going to go there. That's going to go there. This is what you want it to look like right now. Now we're going to need 2 Technic pins, black, and another Technic brick. That one I can just tell what you're going to need for that one because you could just look at them. Linker. And yeah, that's what we want so far. We are on here, right? Yep, we are on here now. So now we're going to need a 1x6 and a 1x3. And we have that 1x6. It's going to go here and here. And brick-wise, the 1x3 will go here and here. That is a what? A 1x8 and 2 1x6s. Then we're going to need 2 1x2s, well 4 1x2s really, but. And they're going to go here, 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 and here. And last but not least, we're going to need 6 1x4, 1x1 black, brown, not black, but brown. Okay, I need to make sure I know where I'm going to put these. Okay, seems like there's a 2 stud difference. One, and 1. So like that. You want it to look something like that. And there you go. You have your @hauler. Now, I will be making another version of this when the movie does come out. So this is more like a prototype. I am a fan. I'm not 100% fan of this. I mean, it works for what it has to be right now. I mean, it might be the official version. We'll have to see. But yeah, definitely, this is definitely a good model. I'll say that. So yeah, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out all my links in the description down below for all my socials. You will be able to keep in touch with me. Also, comment in the description down below for what model you want. What model you would like next to me to build later on down the line? I will take those your recommendations proudly, and I will build them for you. And and also check out my friends for Novel Rise. Link to that is in the description down below. So yeah, I think that's basically it. Yeah, this is Damien from DKBrickStudios signing off. Remember, the Force and the Force of others be with you always. I'll see you all in the next video. Signing off on this model.
Trust in your feelings and find a new hope. Take your best shot and let go.